Hey guys, and welcome to another Super Sham Tech video. This video I'm going to be comparing two cloud photo editors, Pixlr and Aviary. So first off, I'm going to go over the basic features of both by testing them out on one image that I like to call a stop sign. So we can access these photo editors two ways, by right-clicking on the image we wish to edit in Google Drive, clicking on Open With, and then we have both, or we can open it via the new tab page, which I'm not going to have because I don't want my new tab page cluttered. So we're going to go ahead and open it from the Drive menu. So first we'll go ahead and do Aviary, and this is what it opens up. It opens up this nice compact design. You have the undo, redo buttons here, and here you have all of your editing buttons. Clicking the right arrow, we see support and the full version and feedback. And we can do a number of things here. Now, this is zoom, not very extensive. We can enhance by giving it a border. We can do night stuff, backlit, and balance. I don't like this. We can, put some effects on it. Some basic effects that most photo editors have. For example, sepia. We can put stickers. That I can drag it and put it right there and say, my stop sign has a hat, and there's a number of things we can do. We can crop, which I think is the most important feature of a photo editor. Crop, we can do some sharpness items. Not much difference there. And of course, we can add some text. So, stop sign. And then we can do some basic, text editing to make it look all cool. And yeah. That's pretty much Aviary. There's not a lot of detail to it, unfortunately, because it's meant for some basic photo editing, just to put on Facebook or Google Plus or something, or Twitter. It's not meant for, the best of most advanced people. I can save my image if I want to, and it would be updated right there. However, I'm not going to, and now I'm going to show you guys the same picture, except in Pixlr. So we would do the same thing, open in Pixlr Editor. We make sure that there's two versions of Pixlr. There's an express version, which is more like Aviary, which is very brief and very simple, and then there's the very advanced version, which was what I'm using. So as soon as you open this up, you see a very, very, very complex UI, very detailed. You can edit multiple images at once, which is very unique. You can expand your windows, you can maximize them, and yeah, multiple things to do with them. Crop button, handy little crop thing to do. I just can crop, but I'm not going to. The good thing about this editor is that there are keyboard shortcuts. For example, pressing the escape button, bam. There's different navigations that you can do, and you can zoom up to 800%, which is very handy. Unlike Aviary, which you can only zoom up to, a very little amount, and you can go up to 100 by typing it in there. Now you can lasso select, which I really don't like, and then you can just delete stuff, and then Control-Z it, crop, all this type of weird stuff. You can draw on it, I guess, and the drawing features are cool. This is like artistic, shadow, sketchy type of thing, and you can change the type here. You can make it a normal, straight, boring line. You can, paintbrush, like, cool stuff. And then you have your history here where you can restore an image and then not restore an image. You can erase. You can fill things back. The normal stuff. I'm not sure what this does, but, it's pretty special. Not sure what this does either. But something happened. So there's a number of things you can do with this. You can draw more squares. I can make a face right here. Selecting, you can like smear it. Very nice photo editor overall. You can smear it all over the place, and you can fix red eye. All the red's gone now. And of course you can add text. You can't see that, but if I were to change it to red, then you would see that. And, yeah, there's a zooming in, and then control just doesn't do anything, and then you can pan your way around, and you can see that the navigator over here shows me where I'm panning as I go along. And then if I want a bigger thing, I can just zoom in to the maximum window size. But the image will stay the same. And then to finish, instead of automatically clicking a giant save button, we would go ahead and do File, Save, or open up many new things. You can log out. There's a lot of things to do here. Brightness, contrast, there's too many things to do. So I'm going to file and save it. I can save it in my Google Drive as a copy, or a different thing. I can save it on my computer, a number of Facebook, if I connect it, Picasa, all sorts of things. Very, very awesomely handy. However, I'm not going to save it, and let me just say, I made this with Pixlr, so yeah. It's pretty nice photo editing software. Both of them truly are. So my final verdict, I think that Aviary Photo Editor can be used for people that want light photo editors and will not, they don't need a very heavy photo editor that to do very complicated stuff. However, Pixlr will still work for them. However, it may take a long time to get the simple frame, stickers and stuff like that will take much more complications. Pixlr is for people that really require a complicated and detailed, advanced photo editor, and that's my final verdict. I personally would use Pixlr, and that is my final verdict. So thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and stay tuned for more videos like this, and I will see you soon.